Hey everyone, it is Eric with Rockin' HTV session 134. We are going to finish our Roadrunner trailer build along tonight. Come hell or high water, this thing's getting done even if we have to go long. To this point right here, and I may not see all your comments now because I can't see my screen so well. You should be painting, or should have this painted by now. This is just gloss black paint, nothing fancy. And I do need to give a plug right here. I want to stick Ryan Betts' card out here so you guys can watch it. This tank right here came from Ryan. Let's just put the tires on it right away. Let's just get that out of the road. We already drilled our holes. As I've been kind of telling you all along, I do not know where I bought. I'm almost positive I bought this from Harrison Custom Minis. I want to say I did, but gosh, that was like 5 years ago, and I just do not, and I don't ever hardly use it that often. Maybe it was, I think it was Harrison Custom Minis. I really do, but I'm not sure. But it is actually wood, and it's scored with these, you know, the bolt holes and the joints and everything. And then it's self-adhesive, which is kind of nifty. But this is, it is really kind of cool. And like I said, it's self-adhesive. So you can come in here like so, and guess what? Now you have a wood floor. So we'll cut another one here. And we're just gonna kind of cheat here. Now take a look at this. This is kind of cool. This is diamond plate. This is HO scale diamond plate. This is really awesome. Okay, so let's say you don't want to use wood. Well, you can go get you a piece of this HO scale diamond plate, paint it black, and ta-da! I mean, this would look pretty awesome on there, wouldn't it? Check that out. That would look pretty cool. So you can actually cut that down and you know, you buy a whole 2 sheets of this for a couple of bucks. This is the original bag that stuff came in. There it is, Plastruct 91687. 91687, HO scale, 1/100th, diamond plates, 2 pieces, and it's like $5 or something. It's really cheap. What I like to do on these tanks, take a 16th inch bit, then you can drill down here where the plug would be, or the outlet hose. Drill a little hole in there. Then, I forget, I think this is phone line out of the landline of a home. So you pick a color that you like, and ta-da, look at this. Now you can glue a piece of this in there and it looks like a regular hose. Okay? So now you can go from here. I'm just going to take a bit of glue right here on the edge, on the outside, and then I'm going to insta-set that just because I want to move a little quicker and not wait. Now we'll just go ahead and glue this tank on and get it planted. Being a bit generous with the sticky stuff. Okay. And then we're going to have an extra hose laying right here on the side. Yeah, let's park an extra hose right there for fun. Why not? There. So now we got one there. Right next to the... We'll get this one out of the way. We'll just park it right there. Just a little spot of glue there to hold that dude in place. It's just a splash of Insta-Set there to keep it from moving. So we're just going to put some assorted tanks around here. You can go on Shapeways and buy mixing cone. I know some of the different die-cast dealers have mixing cones, and You can buy pallets or whatever bulk, like the shuttles. You can buy shuttles at different places. You'll just have to decide what you want on your trailer. I mean, now, if you wanted to do this, I mean, if you had a mixing cone, you could actually go from here to the mixing cone and out to one of these, or, you know, wherever you wanted to go. You could do a lot of different things. I mean, you were limited by your imagination. These are a pair of DCP fenders. I believe they're Kenworth fenders. And I thought, well, let's put some fenders on there and to cover those wheels. Why not, huh? We got them. We can do this. What we'll do is grab our side cutters. And we're just going to start shortening these up, making them not so tall. Final detail here, we're going to put some DOT tape on. Why don't we just go ahead and put these ramps on real quick too. Now these ramps came out of my Shapeways store. I'm just using thin piano wire. Couldn't tell you what size it is, but it's tiny. What I do here is go out there with the needle nose, put your little angle on there, ta-da, like so. There we go. There it is, Johnny. There is our Roadrunner, ready to spray acres and acres of farm ground. Pretty cool, people. Just like that. Check that out. Okay guys, that's that. We win. Yoo-hoo!